I think we can all agree that today's price action was terrible. I mean, like, really bad. We had no follow through towards the upside nor the downside. But today, luckily, I was actually able to end the day green when I know a lot of other beginner traders probably blew a lot of accounts today. All right, so we're about to enter short here. We have a lot of orders below us.
Order filled.
The orders above us got taken out. We'll have a large stop for now, and then we can just expand it. So stops at 95.50. We have no orders above us. We have orders out at 55.60, and then more orders at 56.50. So we could definitely get some moves. You know, if we hit those orders at 56.
Order filled.
All right, so add it in. Move and stop. I don't want to add into on my funded. Yeah, we'll go ahead and add in. And then we'll just add 3. Yeah, so our stops are good. I mean, I think we're good. I think this is a good spot to add in. What I can do is to be aggressive on my funded account is I can literally lock the stop right here. And I'll take some partials here.
Order
So
filled.
it'd basically be the same exact thing. And then just lock the stop at break even for the rest. Yeah, we're going to tap.
Order filled.
All right. So we're up 551 on combine and then 85 bucks on funded. Today showed me that I'm growing as a trader because I was able to end green with such a crappy, choppy day. I took my piece of the pie, I got out, and I was done for the day. It was a one and done day, and we can just see why. If we're looking at price action, this is how MES ended, and this is how NQ ended. It's really ugly. And so just going over the trade, I got in after price rejected the New York VWAP and then broke below the low of day VWAP. The reason why I got in on this low of day VWAP break is because look how nice this break candle is. It's a really nice strong candle telling me that we took this key level with strength and therefore it's justified to kind of get in this position. If you want to be a little bit more reserved, then you can also just wait until it breaks and then retest. The only thing with that is a lot of times you may not get the retest. Sometimes price just will run after this such a strong break like that. So it's kind of like a give or take thing. As I got in, we took a little bit of drawdown, we rejected the low of day VWAP, and then continued to move lower here. As soon as I saw that price clearly rejected the low of day VWAP, I got in with added positions. So I added on one contract, totaling my contracts on my funded account to 3 MES, and then I added 5 contracts on my combine, totaling that position to 15 MES. Shortly after me adding in this position, I got a nice 2-minute flush candle. And off this flush candle, I decided to take some partials off of my combine and kind of like just go risk-free off my funded account. And the main reason for this is because I was expecting follow-through after such a strong candle push down like this. But because we didn't get too much follow-through, I decided to lock in some profits just in case price wanted to come right back up. Because a lot of times whenever we do get these type of flush candles and we don't really get follow-through, it's either a really bad sign that we can't move lower or price can really quickly retrace up. So before it did that, I wanted to lock in some profits and kind of go risk-free on my funded account, which I did. And that was a really good idea. So we ended up getting stopped out of my funded account right on this candle, but we left a runner in the combine because, again, it's a combine. We're trying to get the thing passed as fast as we can. So we guaranteed 500 bucks, and then we left 5 contracts in to see how far price could really take us, locking the stop at break even. But sadly, with all the orders we had below us, we could not get them filled. As you guys see, looking at Bookmap, the orders below us are very strong and they've been there for a while. But the orders above us that are being filled, oddly enough, are just kind of like spotty orders. They're being put on, taken off, put on, taken off. But the ones that are put on, a lot of times they were getting filled. And so that kind of just threw me off. I don't know why price didn't want to consume the orders that have been on the book that are pretty strong. They don't look like spoofing orders. It's just price could not break certain key levels to kind of go lower. And we kind of found ourselves in like a balance between buyers and sellers, and price couldn't go any higher and price couldn't go any lower. But the odd thing is that the orders that were being put on, taken off, put on, taken off, those orders were kind of being filled. And the orders down here were not at all. And that kind of prevented me from being in the markets longer than I needed to be. I'm glad that I avoided the choppiness. This was kind of a one and done day to where I did take my profits, left a runner didn't work out. Okay, I'm walking away from the desk. I locked myself out of my accounts and we're good for the day. Because a lot of times traders, they try to be like, oh, I didn't make enough today. Let me keep trading. And then that leads to blown accounts. And I'm proud of myself because I didn't blow any of my accounts today. I was actually able to end the day pretty green today. When, let's be real, today was a really hard price action day. And if you didn't acknowledge that we're pretty much in choppy markets right after that sell-off, yeah, I think it might have been tough for you after that.